Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a volume limit for your internal speaker on an iPhone with iOS 18.2. In order to do it, you need to have the newest iOS 18.2 update installed, and if you don't have it yet, go to Settings, then in Settings go to General. Then go to Software Update, and here you will be able to click on Update Now. After a while, when it restarts your phone and installs the update, you will see in the About section that your iOS version is 18.2. If that's done, then go into the main screen of Settings and go to Sounds and Haptics. Then scroll down, and under Built-in Speaker you will see Volume Limit. Then you can enable it and set it to anywhere between 20 and 90%, just like that, or disable it if you don't want it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.